ninja tricks. I'm also going to give you a bonus tip on how to turn on dark mode on your new grade. Let's do this.
What up, everybody? Oh, happy Saturday. This is like weekend school right here. This is weekend class, but I've got you. We're going to make it short and simple, and you're going to take away some cool lessons that I picked up this week. As I said in the intro, you're going to learn 3 new things, which is 3 new things that I did. Plus, I got a bonus tip for you. So shout me out in the comments. Let me know where you're calling in from. You're actually going to be watching in from, and I'm going to show you what I learned this week. Now, this week we focused on Google Sheets. I've been spending a lot of time over in Google Sheets. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a Messenger bot user from my Baby Got Bot crew, my bot shots, or you are a content marketer and you're building an email list. Maybe you're using group funnels to export lists into a Google Sheets from your Facebook group. You don't know what group funnels is? Now you know. I'm going to show you how you can validate your emails, color code them, my husband would be so proud, and filter out the emails that just aren't right. They're just not correctly done. So that's what I'm going to show you first. Those are the 3 things. Plus, we're going to hit you with that bonus tip. I'm going to show you how to turn dark mode on your Mac, especially if you just upgraded to Big Sur, which I did. And my husband the other day was like, hey, did you know you can have dark mode on Facebook? I'm like, babe, where you been? And it got me thinking, can I do it on my Mac? Guess what? You can, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop on over to Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you how to validate those emails. I know you're excited. Let's get nerdy with this. You can see. Let me turn this down. I don't want to blow your eardrums out. Here we go. I have here some emails. None of these emails are legit emails, so don't try emailing me. But we have here kelly@email.com, which would register as a legit email, right? That's the format. It's not incorrectly typed in. We have kelly@email.nuttin. We have kellyemail.com, which is more of a URL than an email, right? And then we have info@email.info. So how do we know? Let's say we have exported a list and we've got just like 100 people or more here, and I'm like, man, I don't want to manually go through this. I don't want to pay a VA. I just want it done. I'm going to show you how to get it done. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to validate the email. So we're going to go over here to our B block, and we're just going, let me make this bigger for you, by the way. Let's make it big. I want you to see what I'm doing. All right, so we're going to go equals, right? And you're going to go is, just type is, email. You see where it pops up? You're going to click on that, and then you're just going to type, you're going to click on the first A section here. Close that. Boom. So that's true. That's an actual email. So then we're going to just drag this down, and it's going to tell me true, false, false, true. And that is absolutely correct. But what if you're a color coordinated freak like my husband, for instance, huh? Or if you just want an easy way to like pass it with your eyes. Color does help with that. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So now what we're going to do is just highlight that box, or you could just select the whole column. We'll just do that. You're going to go up to where the colors are. See, I just made this so big, so now I got to shrink it down so I can actually see it. I think it's going to be in the ... here. Yep, so there's our little, can you see that? The paint can. Click on that. You're going to scroll down where because my screen is so big, I got to make this a little smaller because I can't see everything. All right, so we're going to go to Conditional Formatting. And when you click on Conditional Formatting, it's already highlighted that entire area that you want to highlight. Let me move my face real quick because I'm going to get in the way of this awesome formula. All right, so now we are going to go to format if is empty. No, we don't want is empty. We want text contains. Text contains what? Let's make it true. If it's true, it's automatically going to opt in for green. Done. Beautiful, but we're not done yet. I want to put some red in here. I like color in my life. So we're going to go to, let's have another rule. It's still highlighted. We're going to say if it contains false, dun, dun, dun. We can change the color to anything we want. I'm going to go red. Boom, look at that. Done. And then everything else is just going to remain blank. Now, as I go through this and the formula is working, let's say I export more, it's going to continue to make those color changes because I've selected the whole column. And it's only going to make those changes to these 2 formulas, true or false. Okay, one more thing I learned this week that I'm going to show you with this. We're going to actually immediately filter out the trues or the falses. We're actually going to filter out false. Now, this is actually going to work for more than just what I'm showing you. So it doesn't matter if it's email. If you want to filter certain things out based off of a keyword or what have you, this is a very quick way of doing it. So let's pop on back over to our Google Sheet here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to highlight it. You're going to go to these little dots up here. You're going to click on this little siphon thing. It's create a filter. We're going to create that filter. Yeah, we are. See, create a new filter here. Okay, that's going to pop up. We're going to name this filter, let's say email true. Then we're going to click on this little guy right here. We're going to go down. You see these check marks down here? Of course you can't, because again, my face keeps getting in the way. Let's move myself back over here. All right, so you see down here these check marks? I have blanks. I can remove all the blanks. I don't really need to do that. I can remove the falses or the trues. We're going to remove the falses. Watch what happens. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to say, okay, look at that. Boom, done. I could take this and move it away. So now, if I want to quickly take that around, I'm just going to click on this little guy here, and we're going to just click on false, and we'll just show the false or just the true, you know, whatever it is that you wanted. Sorry, I had to push. We're going to take out the false. Boom. Quickly. Did I not tell you this was going to be a quick one today? So in the 3 things that I showed you today, I was able to show you 1, how to validate your email addresses. 2, how to color coordinate your columns based off of key terms or anything. You can do it by blanks, whatever. Then number 3, how to filter your results so that you could just take out the noise that you don't want. Now I promised you a bonus, and that's how do you turn on your dark mode for your Mac. I am on an old Mac. It's a 2014 iMac, and I just upgraded to Big Sur. So let me show you how this is done. Back over onto my screen here. Up in your upper corner, I know this is going to be hard for you to see, and I can't make it bigger for you. I apologize. But up in the upper right-hand corner, if we take everything, let's see if I can get rid of some of this distraction for you. Okay. You can't see it now. Bummer. All right, let me take that back up. Actually, let me show you a different screen, because this is really cool. We're going to do entire screen. Oh, I know that's trippy. That's trippy. Don't bear with me. I'm going to move this out of the way. All right. Now you see way up here in the corner, you're going to see these kind of like little ticky mark things. We're going to click on that. This is where your do not disturb is. This is where your screen mirroring is, your Wi-Fi, all the good stuff. You see where it says display? Now you can control your site. I can make it dark. I can make it bright. But watch this. There's this little arrow, and I'm going to click it, and it's going to take me here. And I can say dark mode. I can say end. Ooh, night shift mode. That's pretty cool. I can end it. I can turn dark mode off, and I can turn it on. So that's how you do that quick tip for creating. There you guys go. Let's go ahead and remove this craziness here. That's how you create very quickly a dark mode situation. Now, I need you to do something for me. I need you to subscribe to the Baby Got Content channel, because I'm doing Vlogmas, and every day I'm bringing you tutorials and knowledge and know-how, and tomorrow is Sunday sessions. Tomorrow is the day that we focus on kind of the stories and the lessons behind, right? We're going to be talking about, something very, very important tomorrow. Tomorrow I am in a Sunday session. We're going to talk about something that affects all entrepreneurs, all business owners, and that is the burnout. And a lot of people will be looking at me and they're like, wow, she's doing all these things. How do you stay on all the time? I got this question last night, and I want to share with you the answer, but that's for tomorrow, Sunday sessions. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. The link is in the description. There's a link to subscribe to Baby Got Content. Sunday sessions will be there tomorrow for Vlogmas. And there is a link down below to subscribe to Baby Got Bot, which is my messenger bot channel. So you want to check that out if you're into messenger bots. Also, I love coffee. And if you enjoyed this and you want to hit me with a little prize, a little like thank you, or you're enjoying any of my content, you can now buy me a coffee. And it's totally up to you. But I'm also giving away templates and guides for those of you in the messenger marketing world if you want to do a little exchange. My link for Buy Me a Coffee is also in the description. So thank you so much. Can you please share the Facebook group link? The Facebook group for Baby Got Bot is facebook.com/groups/Baby Got Bot, and the Facebook group for Baby Got Content is facebook.com/groups/BG Content. Baby Got BG content. All right, so I'll check you tomorrow for Vlogmas, where we're gonna do Sunday session. And if you are an entrepreneur, you're not gonna wanna miss it. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll check you next time.